Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting what matters and choosing where it will live. Make that decision now. Connect your external drive or sign into your cloud account, then run a quick disk usage check so you know space is sufficient. Open File Explorer or Finder and create a single backup folder to centralize data. This simplifies transfer and reduces missed files. Once done, export bookmarks and email archives. Those steps prevent account loss and speed restoration after the reset. Now you perform the heavy lifting. Copy entire user profile folders into the backup folder, preserving structure so restore is predictable. For apps, export profiles and save license keys in a text file. Make sure chat and browser sync options are turned off before copying. If you prefer a full snapshot, run disk imaging software to capture the OS and partitions. This lets you revert exactly. Make sure file transfers finish without errors, and compare sizes to confirm completeness. Finish by verifying backups. Open random files and compare file counts or checksums to confirm integrity, because corrupted backups are useless. Label and safely eject physical drives or ensure cloud sync shows 100% uploaded. Write a short restore checklist and take a photo of activation keys and settings for convenience. If something goes wrong, pause the reset, retry copying, run a disk check on the source, or use recovery tools to retrieve missing files before you proceed with the factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.